This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to enable or disable JavaScript on Firefox. So I'm right here on Firefox on a random web page. Now all you need to do in order to actually find these settings is right up here in the URL bar, we are going to put this bit of text right here. I'll put this text string in the video description so you can obviously copy and paste that in, but it's literally just going to say about :config. So we will hit return. And we get this proceed with caution warning here. Change in advanced configuration preferences can impact Firefox performance or security. And we've got this checkbox for warn me when I attempt to access these preferences. So this is obviously a warning from Firefox. You can choose to accept the risk and continue if that's what you want to do. Now from here, I'm just going to hit this just to make them all show. Whoop. There we go. So I just hit that little checkbox right here in the corner. So this is the advanced preferences. Now we need to search for the JavaScript one because there's a whole bunch of different ones on here, hundreds in fact. I'm going to type in JavaScript, and you see right here. So I'll type in the full thing just so you can see. We'll go with. Oh, I've lost it there. We'll go with JavaScript. So if you just type in JavaScript and you're looking for this one, so JavaScript enabled is currently listed as true, which is obviously telling us that JavaScript is in fact enabled. If you want to change that, you can click right there and that will change it to false. And there is nothing to save or anything like that. You can see that that has been changed, so you can actually click reset there and that will knock it back to true. But you don't need to save or anything once you make these changes. These changes have been made on your browser and they will stay unless you change it back. So if yours is currently false and you do want JavaScript to show on your Firefox browser, you will come and you'll literally just click here and you'll toggle it to true. If it is, if you want it off and it is on, obviously pretty obvious. But those are the settings there. JavaScript enabled is what you're looking for. About config is what you're entering at the top there, which enables you to even see these settings. I'm going to flip mine back to true as I do want JavaScript on, but that is how you will enable or disable JavaScript on Firefox. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.